Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. For this, you need Capcut application. After downloading Capcut, open Chrome. Go to search option and search Habibi Capcut. Click on hashtag Habibi Capcut. You have to use VPN if you are located in India to make this work, cause Capcut is banned in India due to some security reasons. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. Now click on Use Template. Now add your photos and click on Next. Now, your video is ready. Now click on Export. Now click on Export without watermark. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.